Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, then go to the photos section, watermark, and here you can add your custom signature, up to 30 symbols. But firstly you'll have to enable device watermark to use this feature. Timestamp is not essential. So here you can add your name, your surname, your nickname, anything you want. I'm just gonna enter name of my favorite channel on YouTube. And now let's take a photo just to see an example how this watermark will look like. So here you have device, Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and my custom watermark. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.